Welcome to the world of floral designs, where creativity knows no bounds and beauty blossoms in every petal. Hi, it's Donald Yim, AIFD, CFD, PFCI here. Today we will show you how to elevate your floral arrangements and set yourself apart from others with simple yet impactful techniques. So get ready to immerse yourself in the art of floral design. Picture this, a natural centerpiece that exudes elegance and charm. Using the binding technique, wrap branches around the water tube to create a stunning foundation for your bouquet of summer flowers. Unleash your creativity with the unique muted tone arrangement. Dip Oasis Midnight Floral Foam in hot melted glue. Then spray paint it in Rosegold for luxurious base. Place delicate muted tone flowers atop this enchanting foundation and watch your creations come to life. Sustainability meets beauty in the upcycle arrangement. Repurpose a broken basket handle and add color raffia to create a charming armature. Place it in a glass vase and let unique summer flowers breathe new life into this eco-friendly masterpiece. So are you ready to unleash your floral artistry? Embrace these techniques. Add your personal touch and watch your arrangement bloom with unmatched beauty. Stand out from the crowd, set yourself apart from others, and create floral masterpieces that leave a lasting impression. Welcome to the world of extraordinary floral design. Happy arranging!